Ever wondered who could fill Guy Ritchie's shoes as Jason Statham's go-to director? Well, it turns out the perfect replacement has been hiding in plain sight for a year now. Uh, in 2023, Statham and Ritchie teamed up for their fifth collaboration, Operation Fortune, Deception and War, but the film failed to make a splash at the box office. Since then, Ritchie has directed three more films without Statham, leaving fans wondering if they'll ever work together again. Uh, the but fear not, because Statham has found a new director to partner with, David Ayer. Ayer directed Statham in The Beekeeper, which turned out to be one of the best action movies of 2024. And now Ayer's upcoming film, A Working Man, will once again feature Statham in the lead role. While not a direct sequel to The Beekeeper, A Working Man promises to deliver the same heart-pounding action and tension that viewers have come to expect from Statham's films. And judging by the trailer, it looks like Ayer has found the secret to maximizing Statham's potential outgenes. In fact, Ayer recently expressed his desire to keep working with Statham, calling their collaboration a winning combination. And with upcoming films like Mutiny and Fast X Part 2 on the horizon, it looks like Statham's career is back on track. So while we wait to see if Statham and Ritchie will ever team up again, we can rest assured that Statham has found a new creative partner in Air. And who knows, maybe we'll even see them all work together someday. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Uh, just kidding, there's no video to watch, but please do give this article a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Padness